Hello, good morning guys! Ate Eden, good morning! Kagawin na ganda, Sandaraga sa likod. Punta tayo kina Ate Babo dun sa hotel nila, and then we're going to Miracle Garden Global Village, and then we will check other location kung saan pa po natin sila pwedeng dalhin. So see you later!
A few minutes later.
Hello guys! We're here na po sa Dubai Miracle Garden at kasama po natin sila Ate Babu. Yan po sila at si Ate Eden. So guys, papasok na po kami sa Miracle Garden and ito po yung mga kasama natin and thank you po sa sponsor natin. Eden.
Nice cup. Welcome to the.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ate, ate. Oo. Sige lang. Kay Ate, naka-vlog ako. Wow. Welcome to Miracle Garden. Kaganda. Ha? Hi, Ate Babo. How are you? Ay, kaguro-ganda gayon. Wow. Model.
Alas TV sa atin na. Walang tao masyado. Mas matahong ka. Matahong dito kayo niya.
Ay, kaganda.
Kaya man mahalo na sa kaya naman ang
Oh!
$5.
Ayaw na pag ano. $5? Oo. $5 as in US dollars?
Ito, ano sinda? Rotate. Okay na. Dana, ha? Tara. Ito pa.
Ay, Mary Ann!
Ikaw kayo na ang center.
Ano mo daw sa labang ugan?
O, katuna ka mo. Dito na. Katuna ka mo dito. Kinaga-video.
Madali.
Kanina pa ako nakapicture dito.
Iba ba ito? 1, 2.
Maganda dito yun.
Ay, katahom didi, oh. Ay, Ate Babo, katahom dito sa may ano, puso-puso na kamot.
Ay, oo. Share ka sa mga makatuwa. Pwede man ito. Mamay. Namu na naman nag-ano baga. Sabi ko, yung ano na nag-ano sa tutti farm. Yan, daw wala naman sa mga...
Diyan na, mga jacket.
Tutti farm.
May takuri. Igwa man tabi dito sa Ogbus Kamote.
Ang burak niya tali.
Bago pa lang ina, natanong. Kay ka-open lang nga na isa niya na bulan.
Pwede siya.
Sakto na niyo ka de. Kay, ha?
Stop! Papunili ka na dito sa camera. Dilaan ba ka? Wala kitang picture ka.
talaga kay namis ako talaga sa naubos kamuti. Makuha guide ako sa di.
Bago hindi ka sa camera ko. Oh, sige, yan. Sa ganda mo. Yan. Ama na. Ama na.
Welcome for the balcony. Mama, mama.
Yeah. Ay. Eto na ho, an airplane. An Emirates. Dito kita sa may Emirates. Ate Eden. So beautiful. Adaan mga payong-payong. Ate dito, ate din ho. Ate dito.
Transferless.
Transformers, yan. Iban.
Hoy, mariliwan ko kitang bado. Pag makatugid sa Taiwan, pakaiba na ako. Mayo ka din, di ba yung plastic? Oo, di ba wala plastic?
Beman. May bayad yan. Wala man dito yata. Adi tabian model san kapayungan.
Tubig niya, magandang tubig niya eh. Ano, running water na tubig.
Deden. Deden. Huling-huli ka.
Ay, paano sa pounds?
The Dubai Miracle Garden is a flower garden located in the district of Dubailand, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The garden was launched on Valentine's Day in 2013. Sprawling over an area of about 72,000 square meters of land, Miracle Garden is the world's largest natural flower garden, decked with an awe-inspiring assortment of flowers, much of which are rare and seen for first time in the Middle East, such as petunias and geraniums. The Dubai Miracle Garden has achieved 3 Guinness World Records. In 2013, it was declared as the world's largest vertical garden. Currently, an Airbus A380 flower structure in the garden is listed by Guinness World Records as the biggest flower structure in the world. The 18 meters or 59 feet topiary of Mickey Mouse, which weighs almost 35 tons, is the tallest topiary-supported sculpture in the world. It is designed and developed by the Al-Ain-based Akar landscaping and agriculture company. This is a natural splendor nestled close to Arabian Ranches and Dubailand. You would be thinking, what could be so miraculous about this flower garden that makes it world famous and so different from others? First, this garden is in the arid desert of Dubai, a place which rarely has cultivation is thriving with millions of live flowers. And second one, as you step inside the garden, you will be dazzled by the stellar structures, shaped up only by flowers everywhere. From floral themes and sculptures to abounding buildings, the place looks like heaven. The extraordinary feature of the Dubai Miracle Garden is you can visit it again, and every time you are here, you will be overwhelmed by a new theme, a new sculpture, and a new ambience. It creates a change to the previous edition which breaks the set benchmark. Avenue of Love, the Alley of Parasols, and Aroma Garden, Heart Passage, Lake Park, and the Butterfly Park are a few top attractions that receive a great round of applause. So, ito po yung kakaiba dito po sa Miracle Garden. First time ko pong nakita na hindi lang siya flowers. Ngayon po, pati po talbos ng kamote ay nandito na po sa Miracle Garden. Ate Babu! Di ba naghihimo ka sa na dati na pineapple?
Hindi fresh eh. Diba, taga-pizza ba po? Maaram ka. Ako kasi, tiwala sa iyo.
Two, three. Sarap.
Ako ka pinagkatapos ka naman. Ay! Ako hapa?
Sige. One, go! One more!
O, diba?
Back na back!
Dali ba?
Ayan.
Yan!
One more.
Hope you enjoy watching this video and see you on next adventure. Once again, this is VJ Imperial, your Bicolanang vlogger. Diyos mabalos!